Welcome to the Wellness Lifestyle Kitchen. Today, we'll be making a raspberry chocolate chunk ice cream. I have provided a link to the full recipe below. This recipe has two parts to it. The first part will be the raspberry reduction, and the second part will be the base. To get our free sweetener guide, scan the QR code on the screen. 1.5 cups of cream, 1 cup half and half, 1/2 cup allulose, 2 tablespoons non-fat milk powder, 2 tablespoons vanilla-infused vodka, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. We add a pinch of salt to bring out the flavors. And the star of the show is 1/2 cup of raspberry puree. It is time for the taste test. How are we doing on flavor?
That's
sweet
very
enough?
Nice, yeah. Got strong raspberry flavor.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Strong raspberry
It
undertones.
tastes just like our ice cream shops.
It does.
Let's get this bad boy cooling down, and then we'll come back and do the churning. We love our KitchenAid ice cream attachment. However, you can make these recipes on your own with other ice cream makers such as the Ninja Creamy, or if you don't have an ice cream maker, you can put the base in the fridge in a shallow dish, and every 30 minutes take it out and just vigorously stir it and put it back in there. You'll want to do that for about 4 to 6 hours for best results. We're going to be adding 1/2 cup of Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips And we want to add these in the last minute or two of the churning. Taste test.
Ooh, my favorite part.
This is our favorite part. It's the second taste test. It's the finished product. Texture is gorgeous. What do you think? Those dark chocolate chips?
You did it.
Let's see.
You've done it once again, my love.
Oh, magnificent. Stop. Look at this texture. It's perfect.
Here.